Subscribe to Pamix channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notification on new video. Like and share the videos. Thank you.
Today we are meeting a very special guest, Mr. A.M.S.G. Ashokan, who is known as a leading industrialist and a printer. He has also served as the president of All India Federation of Master Printers, AIFMP, in past. And today we are congratulating him for taking over the responsibility as an MLA of Sivakasi. And we are really thankful to him that he could take out time for this interview.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to meet my printer friends.
So, sir, as an MLA, will you be able to table issues concerning print and paper industry in the Chennai Assembly?
Oh, actually, this is my first time in the assembly. I'm checking with all of my other legislative MLAs previously who have 2-term and 3-term experience. They said that whatever we table in the assembly will be recorded. Okay, it's only a voice recording. So whatever I say, it is recorded automatically. So definitely, I will be not only talking about the printers, I'll be talking about all the industry people. Since I'm an industrial person, I will be definitely as a social worker also. So I'll definitely voice for everyone when it is supposed to be voiced in the assembly, definitely.
That's great, sir. And how has been the past 12 months in Tamil Nadu and Sivakasi for the print industry?
As far as I have seen my print friends, the top level people are doing really well. Only the smaller people who have one machine and things like that, they are suffering a lot because they do the regular printing for the local people, whereas the big and the medium people do for packaging, for export and education, because the government has given permission for them to run with a minimum 50% of strength in the thing. And also you should have the social distancing should be there. And for the sake of not getting the COVID in contact with each other. And now, as our government in Tamil Nadu has come, our Talabadi has clearly said not to harass anyone and see that the work is going on. So the laborers get salary and they be safe at home also. So we are having regular measures we are giving and regular all our the revenue people as well as the police are visiting all the industries small in Sivakasi. And when I have told my people, if there is any problem, you have my number, you give a call. Then we talk to the police or the revenue people and we say, what is the actual cause? If they have too many people sitting together, then we can't do anything. But if they have the social distancing and everything isn't perfect, then we say just leave them out, don't make noise. If you're going to do that, I call up the minister, local minister. He is the industry minister, Mr. Thangan Arasu, and he is helping us to run the business smoothly. And now we are also talking to the Tamil Nadu government that all the Tamil Nadu government printing should be done within our state so that our Tamil Nadu people will get a good share so that they will be able to run the presses and do it in a proper way.
Really a good work. So, as we all know, sir, you wear multiple hats and you have been associated with several industries. Please share your thoughts on what is transpiring in other industries and what lessons can the printing industry or we can learn from there.
Actually, regarding the other industries like education, really education is doing very, very bad. And the people are not able to pay the fees. And now we are not able to pay the salary for the teachers. And as far as the government teachers are getting their salary but from the government. And though we are doing a lot of online classes, I think 50% of the schools are really having a bad shape. But the IT sector and the packaging sector, the transportation like courier and people are able to do very well. So all the industries you can't say is not doing well. And textile was doing very badly. But then they changed to the kit like mask, what about gloves, the coat and things like that. So their business also is doing very well. So it all depends on what industry, how you are and things like that. As far as the small industry, micro, small industries and SSI people, they are finding it very difficult because they are only assistant to the big industry. And now the big industry is not running it in full swing. They are only running it at 60 to 80% production side. So that is why industry is facing a lot of problem. But overall, I think in our state within Tamil Nadu, they are running it in a good way, as far as I understand. Because only now we are more dependent on the North Indian laborers, and they are running back because of the lockdowns and things like that. But we are keeping them in good humor, giving them food, taking care of the health, and give them good accommodation, entertainment, everything. And right now in Sivagasi, we have about more than 10,000 workers, and they are in put with us. And all the industries are doing, even matches, is an essential commodity. There is a lot of export market for it. And only the firework industry is facing a lot of problem. But compared to the other industries, when you compare it like that, matches is doing better, printing is okay, but fireworks only 20% people are working because of the Supreme Court problem and things like that. So now I'm moving with the present government and going to get an exemption from how we got the exemption for the Jallikattu. And we are 3 years, we are enjoying it. The same we want to get from the pollution 3B exemption. Once we get that, then the Supreme Court will not interfere in our industry. So then the 8.5 lakh family will be benefited out of this for the industry.
A lot of good work is happening. That's really great to know. And you started talking about the education sector. So I want to also know, because you have an inclination towards education, how do you see the future of education in the country now?
See, again, for arts college, they are finding it difficulty. Technical education, like engineer, they are finding difficulty. But the diploma thing, and in the diploma also, particular field is doing well. Like civil is not doing very well because a lot of construction, everything is come down. So no one wants to go to the civil. IT, it's okay. Little bit, 50% people are coming into IT. And for example, printing, all my printing people are fully booked. Even our electronics and electrical, these three field is doing 100%. We get placement. So we are, and there are a lot of industry want them also, and we have a very good potential in the Middle East for our people. So as far as the printing department is concerned, in any company, any diploma colleges is doing very well. But the civil is doing very bad. Mechanic has come down a lot. So this is the part of it. Arts colleges come very badly also. And nowadays the press two, the last year also they got no exams, but they've given a pass. So we don't know how they've been identified as COVID batch. And now interview is conducted in a way to find the real good people. So they are all the intellectual and the good people are all kept in the same level. So it is very difficult for them to get jobs and things like that is going on at present.
Okay, sir. So you have seen PAMIX very closely, and you have been on board as an advisor as well. So how do you comment on the quality of the exhibition?
See, actually, we really, what you call it is, physically seeing something is something you really enjoy it. But for the last 6 months, we have started all this virtual exhibitions, and we are getting very good response. We are getting a lot of audience are coming in. And of course, when there is materializing the deal, then we are inviting them personally to their workshop. We are having virtual exhibitions, and international participants are coming and joining us. I think this COVID definitely will come to an end this time, and they are saying there will be a third spell. But definitely the first spell, the second spell is very, very bad. So we have learned what we thought it will not come, and it has come. So definitely the third spell will be noticed properly and prepared properly. So even if it comes, it will not be affecting like this for the first time and the second time. So the PAMIX will come and everyone will enjoy PAMIX.
So, sir, now that we are seeing this difficult time, how do you see the coming 12 months in terms of printing and paper industry and also as a whole?
Oh, see, as I told you last previously, there's a lot of export possibility for our printers. But only thing we are still having very little data. So I think during I think Manoj Mehta is doing really well in our export chairman. So he's giving a lot of data. So we should know where they are importing and who are the parties, what are the products they are asking for. So these type of information is passed on to the our print friends. Definitely they will be doing wonders, and we'll get really good orders also. And we'll keep the print. And printing is supposed to be, without printing, nothing can move. As far as education or even product or even packing, so communication, everything needs something to be printed in the paper to be communicated with each other. So definitely printing will never fall down. It will only grow. The next 12 months, there will be a positive growth. If it is not there, then the paper shortage will not come. Now the paper shortage is very bad, and the price of the paper is going beyond what we are thinking. So we are also facing that problem, and next 12 months, I think it will be better and better only. Only thing we have to think positive, because I've seen a lot of printers, always they say, we don't have work, we don't have work. That is why, because no one should eye them, have a blank point. They say some bad woman will come. If I say I'm doing very well, and then the next month you will fall down. So that will not happen. That is what I think they are saying, because from the last 40 years I've seen what they were doing for 24 hours in one machine. The same quantity is now done within 3 hours. So that is what is the latest technology. So definitely printing will be there till the world exists. This is what I would like to tell my print friends, that always think high and be positive, and we will definitely have the best in our life.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
This is the first time I'm interviewing an MLA, so it's a privilege.
yeah. I think after 1 year, definitely I will give you the number of questions I've raised in the parliament and what I
Yeah.
got from the parliament for the people, and I'll share it with you, so that this interview will be fruitful for you as well as for me also.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. We will certainly connect for that again. And all the best for
Yes.
the work that you are doing. And thank you so much for taking our time for this interview.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.